videos on YouTube. Today we're doing this RC airplane that I got for Christmas. Come on over and take a good look at it. And now for epic takeoff. And I know